Hi, my name is Keith. In today's video, I am going to teach you the fastest way to make hundreds or even thousands of dollars worthy of bitcoins. Here are the things you should be aware of first. 1. You are not going to invest in website that promise returns after days. 2. This is not MLM or any referral marketing program. You are not going to be recruiting anyone. 3. You are not going to be looking at charts. This is not forex trading. 4. You are not going to be looking for customers to buy or sell Bitcoin to. 5. And lastly, this is a legit and real business. As such, it will require you to pump in capital. Don't worry, you don't need hundreds or thousands of dollars to start. You can even start with $10. After watching this video and implementing my method, you will be able to make at least your first $20 profit within 30 days. If not, feel free to come back to this video and comment that it is fake. If you are new to this channel, my name is Keith and I create content on money-making opportunities, tutorials and vlogs. To keep on receiving these type of videos, simply click on the red button below to subscribe to my channel, and then click on the bell icon and click on all notifications. Thanks for subscribing. So what is this method which will enable you to make hundreds or even thousands of profits? Well, I am 100% sure that you know the method, but it's just that you have never tried it or not sure if it works. Well, this method is buying and selling of Bitcoin. So how do you make money with Bitcoin by buying and selling? Well, it's simple. You simply buy at a lower rate and sell at your own price and make profits. So how do you do all this? Well, watch this video till the end and pay attention. Step 1. You need to find a source where you are going to be buying Bitcoin at cheap rate. You need to find one that works in your country. My recommended ones to buy Bitcoin at low rate are Coinbase and Cex.io. Step 2. You need to find Bitcoin peer-to-peer exchange platforms that work in your country. My recommended ones are Paxful and Local Bitcoins. All the links to these platforms are in the description below. I highly recommend you to sell Bitcoin using P2P platforms to avoid being scammed. Step 3. If you are new to cryptocurrencies, you should first start by learning how cryptocurrencies work, how to send, how to withdraw, etc. You should as well watch videos on YouTube on how to use Coinbase, Paxful or Local Bitcoins or any platform you prefer. Thanks for watching till the end. If you learned something or enjoyed this video, please support me by liking this video. Remember, it's free to click on like button. Haha, also subscribe for more money making videos. If you have questions, feel free to comment. I read and reply to all comments within an hour.